Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling the essentials and building the first circuit. Grab a Zonai battery and a power cell, plus connectors and a switch. This is your baseline. Place the battery into a simple chassis and attach the switch in line so you can control draw. Once done, secure connections with short rods and test a small motor or light so you confirm output. This immediate test shows you if the battery is usable before investing in scaling or advanced wiring. You now expand capacity by wiring additional cells correctly. Connect batteries in parallel to multiply runtime, or use series only when you need higher voltage. Choose based on the device. Once arranged, add capacitors or an extra power cell to stabilize surges. This prevents sudden losses during heavy load. Make sure to route power lines short and avoid redundant draws. Preferentially switch to low-draw components. Doing this lets you trade a bit more weight for significantly longer. You finish by stress testing and refining the setup. Run the device at full load for several minutes while watching battery drain and heat. This reveals weak cells or bad connections. If runtime is poor, swap batteries one at a time to isolate the failing unit and make sure polarity is correct. Reversed cells kill output. Finally, secure connectors and clear corrosion. If things still fail, reduce draw or add one more parallel cell. This final pass ensures reliability in the field.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.